My name is John Michael, I'm the sales manager for Louder Technology. Today is a mixture of networking with companies who we're already working with, as well as exploring new avenues with companies who are related to this part of the industry who may want to collaborate with us further.
We work for Huber UK Temperature Control, so we're a UK subsidiary of a German company that manufactures fluid conditioning units for the automotive industry and other industries as well. Yeah, the conference has been good so far. There's plenty of people here that we would consider ideal potential customers, so it's been good to come down and speak to people.
So my name's Sam Harrison and I'm the OEM sales manager at Technical Services, and we specialise in a complete thermal management solution for EV and fuel cell applications. It's a great networking opportunity to meet new customers and people that we've worked with for a long time already.
My name's Mabeen Irshad. I work for Siemens Digital Industry Software. My role is portfolio development. We're reconnecting again with the exhibition and the conference, and in particular we have a lot of customers here using our software and services, so we're also networking and also to tell them about the new things that we have coming up in our development plans.